So during tough times, I thought today's video, one of the most beneficial things that I can bring to you is my daily cacao ritual. Today's cacao blend is an Ecuador Belize, and it's available on our website, eBay or Etsy. Links are below, and there's also Afterpay available on our website. And a 10% off coupon to anyone receiving this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. So I've been working with cacao for quite some time now, and I think that the number one question that I'm asked is what makes it ceremonial? When just starting out or just wanting to meditate with cacao, I recommend 28 grams as a meditation dose. You can still receive all the benefits. Start gentle, and you can always have more. For a ceremonial dose of cacao, I recommend 45 grams. This is a perfect dose for sitting in meditation longer. After a long day or working with a partner, going deeper into your practice, or creating movement with cacao. It's such a beautiful experience. I'd like to take this minute and thank you for watching, supporting, and sharing this journey, and let you know that my links to my Instagram, website, shop, and any other ways that you can support me are below this video. We'll not only cover the many benefits of cacao and how to make cacao, but make sure and watch to the very end of this video as I share my daily prayer and ritual for cacao ceremony. So this process here is shaving the cacao, and when it comes, it generally comes in a block or the form I showed, and if you just move your knife up and down, you'll shave the cacao, which you want to do as much as possible prior to adding it to the water. Cacao is a heart opener and heart expectorant, not a vasodilator like coffee. Cacao holds energy and vibration, so I smudge my cacao with Palo Santo prior to making it. I try to start with a high pH water when making cacao. Here's where I will speak any intentions that I want from my cacao ceremony. And I love to play and sing the song Mother I Feel You by Windsong Martin, and I'll add the link below. And here's a little piece of that now. Gently stir the water. You don't want to boil it. You want to bring it to a nice heat before boiling and make sure it's thoroughly stirred and all of your cacao is nicely blended. The foamier it gets on top is the indicator that you're right there.
Hey,
Now bring your cacao into your heart space and close your eyes. Let's tune into the breath. As we know, many of the indigenous communities, all of our Meso and South American ancestors have been working with this plant, and they understand the sacredness of this beautiful plant. And they are saying that it allows us to come back to the heart space and come back to connect to our truth. They also understand the elements of nature are something sacred that move within us and outside of us. So these energies are an extension of ourselves. And the moment that we begin honoring and respecting these energies, we can remember to honor and respect our own being. So we give thanks to the element of earth for allowing us the stability, the foundation, the structure, the nourishment. Thank you for allowing us to rest our roots, explore the darkness, the shadow work, the mysteries of the unknown. It is through this exploration that we allow ourselves to move closer and closer towards the light. We give thanks to the element of water for the fluidity, the connections, the relationships, the change, the creativity. Thank you for allowing us to flow in the rhythm of change, letting us swim in the unlimited possibilities of creation, finding the wisdom, the stillness when the waters are tamed, knowing that it's just a play, it's a practice for when the waters get tough. And when we continue finding that wisdom, that stillness, because we know that the clarity is waiting on the other side of the wave. Thank you to the element of fire for the passion, the courage, the strength, the transformation. Thank you for allowing us to burn all the things that lay in the physical body, the emotional body, and the mental body, so we can transcend to the spiritual body. And as we move through the smoke, we connect deeper with the confidence that lies within. Thank you to the element of air for the openness, the vulnerability, the trust, the acceptance. As we take a deep breath in together, let's find another breath nourishes each and every cell of the body. As we exhale, finding all that space that's created within us. It's through that space that we open our wings and that we take flight. We take flight into those desires that we have for ourselves, knowing that these desires bring us closer to the mission that we have in the here and now. Thank you to the essence, the spirit of cacao. Thank you for allowing us to dissolve all the barriers that we have set against ourselves, so we can remember the language of the heart and begin to listen, but also speak from that space. Thank you to Nana Maria and Tata Pedro and all the elders, all the ancestors that have passed on this wisdom from generation to generation, letting us take in the knowledge along with the experience, so we too can share this wisdom with the rest of the world, becoming the leaders that we were born to be. Thank you to all the guardians and protectors of the sacred lands and those who have been protecting the fruit of cacao so we can enjoy it today. Thank you to the directions, to the angels, the guides, to our hearts, our third eye, and our throat chakra for speaking our truth. Aho.